I've given a unique twist to the regular fettuccine pasta, and I named it as the Mediterranean vegetable fettuccine. Trust me, this is really tasty and creamy, yet healthy as well. And this dish is one of my son's favorite. Let us see how to make this pasta. For this recipe, add 1 tablespoon of oil to a hot pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can replace butter with olive oil if you prefer. Mix and wait until the butter melts. Once the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. This adds a lot of flavor to this dish. Saute until you get the aroma of the garlic butter. This won't take long, and make sure not to burn the garlic. Here I have taken 1 small chopped tomato, 1 chopped carrot, half an onion that is chopped, and chopped yellow capsicum. Now add all the veggies to the pan. You can add any red or yellow color veggies here. If you have corn, then you can try adding that too. Do not use any green vegetables like green capsicum, as you will not get the bright color in the sauce. Saute it until the vegetables turn soft and cooked. Then add salt to taste and mix it well. Once the veggies are cooked, transfer it to a blender and grind it to a smooth paste. Set this aside. Next, I am preparing the pasta. Here I am using fettuccine pasta, but you can substitute with any of your choice. Add pasta to the boiling water and cook it until it is al dente. For me, it took about 10 minutes to cook. I suggest you follow the cooking instructions given in your package. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it from the water and transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and toss it well. This step prevents the pasta from sticking to each other. Now add the blended pasta sauce to the pan. Add half a cup of milk to rinse the jar and add it to the pan. Mix the sauce well for a minute. Then add the cooked pasta. Toss the pasta to mix it thoroughly with the pasta sauce. Then add red pepper flakes. Increase or decrease based on your spice level. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano powder or any dried herbs you have at your home. Mix again a few times and our pasta is ready. You can switch off the stove now. As a last step, just before you serve, make sure to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and enjoy it while it is still warm. Make this delicious pasta and relish it with your family. And thanks for watching.